Hello customers, welcome to today's vlog. In this video, I'll be showing you how to assemble an electric breast pump. In this case, we have Intelligent. We will also be unboxing together. So when you receive your package, it will be like this. And the first thing that you do is to read the manual and to go through the instructions that are written behind the box. So there are various parts that it comes with. You'll notice that most of the parts are in double because this is a double electric breast pump. So it has 2 bottles, 2 valves. Only the adapter comes as one. Every other part is in double. You must not necessarily use it as double. You might choose to express milk from one side, then to the next side. So it must not be used as double. You can use it as a single electric breast pump. So when attaching, make sure you attach the valve well, otherwise the pump will not function. Even if you assemble every other part well, but leave out the valve, it will not work. So an Intelligent electric breast pump, it uses the normal power cable, as you can see. So as long as the voltage is the same, you can use any other cable, but it is provided. You are provided with a power cable. So you can connect it directly to the power cable, or you can use a power bank. That is, you can use it direct kwa socket, or you can use an alternative source of power, like a power bank. When you attach it to power, you will notice the sound. When you touch this button, the one that is on and off button, it comes on. It also has other buttons. The plus means you add the speed or the frequency. The minus means you reduce the speed if you want it to reduce the speed at which it's expressing. And also there is the one that you can pause. The one that has an arrow pointing down, it means that you want to start. We want it to start expressing the milk. So even when using it, when you touch the one that with the arrow pointing down, you will feel that it has started that pulling. So your breast pump is complete, as you can see, and it's ready to use. The easiest way to maintain electric breast pumps is to avoid dropping them, and also avoid putting the power cables or the adapter in water. That way it will serve you for a long time. Thanks for watching today's video. Let me know if you have any question. Comment down below. Consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. You may also reach us through other social media platforms, that is Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok at Ami Baby Shop. See you in our next video.